You're not gonna believe it, but two people can get into the exact same car crash, and one of them walks away with only $15,000, whereas the other one walks away with $150,000. I'm here to explain to you how that can happen. My name is Lee Rudin. My law firm is Rudin Law. We help injured people collect compensation for the harm that's been caused them. And we've been doing it for years and helped injured people collect millions of dollars. Today, I'm here to explain to you how the exact same accident can result in one person receiving 10 times what another person does. And the simplest explanation starts with a stool, because any claim has 3 legs, just like a stool. And if one of them is knocked out, so is the claim. So what are they? The first leg is liability. That means who's responsible for what happened. The second is damages. That means, was somebody hurt and how much? And the third leg, and the one I'm focused on today, is coverage. That means, what type of money is there to pay for the harm that was caused to that injured person? So let's go back to the original example. Same exact accident. Let's call it a rear end collision. Liability is clear. The car in the back hit the car in the front. The car in the back is responsible. They're liable. The damages are the same. The person in that front car is complaining of neck pain and back pain. They went and got an MRI and it shows they've got herniated discs in their neck. Well, where does the discrepancy come from? It's all about coverage. If the car in the back had a Louisiana minimum policy, that means they only had $15,000 in coverage. That is all that the car in the front can collect if they haven't protected themselves. And we'll get there. But if the car in the back had a bigger policy, a $250,000 policy, a $500,000 policy, a $1 million policy, then there's adequate coverage, adequate money to compensate the person who has that herniated disc in his or her neck. If there's no coverage, there's no pocket to go pursue to compensate you for the harm that you've suffered. But there is a way that you can protect yourself, because as I've told hundreds of clients, there are too many people driving around on the roads of Louisiana with no coverage or too little coverage. So you can go out and protect yourself by buying uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage. That coverage is critical if you get into a wreck and the person that hit you has no coverage or too little coverage, like the state minimum $15,000, and you've been seriously hurt. So I highly recommend to all of my clients to go out and purchase uninsured, underinsured motorist coverage. It will add money to your policy. It could be upwards of $100 a month on top of what you're already paying, but it's critical if you get hurt. And that's the whole point of insurance, is to protect you for the what ifs or the what the fucks. Is if you have any questions about this, should I get this insurance? Should I get something else? Come to me. Bring me your policy or bring me your options, and I'll tell you exactly what I think you should be doing. And to do that, you can call us at 833-GET-RUD, which is 833-438-7833. You can reach out to us through our website, which is getrud.com. That's if you have questions about your policy, anything we've discussed here on this video, or anything about an accident or injury claim. We are an open door all the time. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for our next video as we attack more of the trials and tribulations of getting hurt in Louisiana.